In this video, I will be discussing how easy to use our family membership plan is. For this, firstly, the member needs to successfully register as a member. The membership form will be provided by the organization to them. After successfully registering as a member, the member needs to log into our portal, go to the membership profile from memberships. We can see that this member has successfully registered for the annual family membership plan. Now, in order to add family members, the member needs to go to the family tab, and you can see there is an add family member button. The member needs to click on it, fill out the form, the relationship, type in the email address, need to clarify if the member is over 18 years old. Click on add family as a member. We can see that the member has been successfully added. And also, if the member is eligible to vote for this organization or not is visible. The membership details can also be seen. We can see the membership details. So in this way, an existing member can add family members under the same family membership plan.